Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to make a Discord member count bot. So, once you're in your server, you're going to press over here and then go into app directory. Once you're here, you're just going to basically search for server stats, press enter, and you're going to choose this one right here. Add application, you're going to choose the server that you want to choose it. I'm going to choose tutorial server, continue, give it all of the permissions required, press authorized, complete the captcha, and then once it's added to your server, you're gonna press go to, and then you're basically just gonna do /setup and press enter. Then you're gonna choose a channel that you want. I'm just gonna choose a voice channel and default. Give it a few seconds. Oh, there's some issues. Press again and it will make it into voice channels. As you can see, in this server there are 5 members including me. 4 of them are bots and 1 of them is an actual person, which is me. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.